We're out here in the middle of the Mojave Desert. Don't know where it is, but we're looking for the rare, elusive banana bird.
Banana bird.
Banana bird.
The banana bird.
We've spotted one about 50, 60 kilometers up the hill.
He seems to be eating something off the trays.
Easy. We're gonna see if we can get a clean shot at him. He's walking on. One, two, three. Get him! Get him! We got him! We got him! We got him! Oh, we've got him! This has got to be the greatest accomplishment any Jamaican's ever got in his life. Are we Jamaican?
I don't know. Let's go get him.
We're gonna go get him. It seems that when we find him, he looks like a banana and a bird. But as you can see here, he's stiff as a banana.
Yes. Very stiff.
He's ripe. He's very ripe. We're going to take him.
Call these wigs. They're not wigs.
Well, we're going to take him home for the processing.
And we're going to peel him. We're going to peel him.
And we're going to feed him to our aunts and uncles because it's my grandma's birthday.
Did you know they really taste like bananas? They really do.
It's a great kill. Great kill. Hey, pleasure to hunt with you.
Yes, very good.
I'd like to thank
I don't know. Thank you. Did you shoot him? Did you shoot him or I'd shoot him?
I'd like you to show yourself. Show yourself. This is V Paulino, the camera person, and
Wild adventure with us.
that's the banana bird's owner.
Well, sorry, we shot him. Sorry. Very sorry.
She made this hunt possible for us today. Thank you. Thank everybody that's watching. Until next time on Wild and Crazy Adventures.
Yes.
Banana bird shooting.
Goodbye.
Bye.